Johnson, and I'm with the PowerLink Expo Inc. And today we're going to be talking with David Triana, who is with the Conexion Media Group, and he's going to be a part of the Business Expo that's coming up at the Pensacola Bay Center on May the 13th and the 14th, and he's going to be hosting one of the workshops that will be at the event. The workshop that he's going to be talking about mainly is how to do business with Hispanics within the Hispanic community. So David, give us a little information about what you're going to be saying at this particular workshop.
First of all, I want to thank you, Catrice, for having us over, and congratulations for saying it right. Conexion, that's wonderful. Conexion is Spanish for connection, and Conexion Media Group. Conexion Media Group is exactly what it does. What we are going to do is we're going to present the version of our presentation with that audience and the amount of time that you're giving us. We actually have several versions of the presentation. We can do it as a seminar, 2 or 3 hours, a lunch and learn, whichever version that is necessary. It is called Connecting with the Growing Hispanic Market, specifically for here in Northwest Florida. We know that the Hispanic community is growing everywhere, but this is where we matter. And North Florida, Northwest Florida, and Southern Alabama, the community has been growing. So that's what the name of it is. What does it do? Well, in the seminar, we are going to inform and hopefully educate the audience about the fact that Hispanics are not just one thing.
What do you mean by that?
Well, politically speaking, you hear the word Hispanic in business also sometimes, and they make that mistake and assume that all Hispanics are the same.
Okay.
And we're not.
Okay.
There are 21 different nations with different ways of thinking, and sometimes even the language is slightly different.
Okay.
So that's one of the pieces that we try and make sure that people understand. There's 21 different nations. What unites the community of Hispanics? The language, for sure, right? We speak the same basic language, even though there's slight differences.
Okay.
Family, fun, enjoyment, those kind of things, kind of unite us, because that's why you see Latin music becoming so popular worldwide, because it's kind of a fun kind of people.
So within the culture, within the Hispanic community, are there different cultures that you have to look at?
Well, different backgrounds per se, right? There's obviously the language, right? But again, for example, Argentina, and some of the South American nations, they are there's more European influence to those nations than there is for some of the Central American nations.
Okay.
When you think Hispanic, you probably think, something like me, kind of brown-skinned guy, right, black hair. That's it.
Right.
That's a mistake. You go to Mexico and you're gonna find blue-eyed blondes. You're gonna find black Mexicans, and you're gonna find brown Mexicans, and in between, Chinese Mexicans. Bottom line is a large variety within the nations per se. Definitely within the nations.
Okay.
In all of those things, and that's where sometimes some of the mistakes are made.
So how do we actually, if the American public was trying to advertise to the Hispanic nation, what are some of the pitfalls that we make?
Yes. One of the examples that I use in my presentation is Shaquille O'Neal, a hugely smart business guy. Okay, Shaquille O'Neal is big throughout the world. Shaquille O'Neal and the NBA are big in Mexico and Latin America. Shaquille O'Neal speaks Spanish in commercials that are aired in Latin American music.
Wow.
He is big, and therefore they're using his ability to speak the language in our language, right? That's key. Especially the millennials, the new kids in town, the ones that are spending all that money, they love to hear English, Spanish, and or both in their commercials. Spanglish has become a language, and that's the one that's spoken by people that are more fluent in English, but they know a little bit of Spanish, or they throw both and mix them.
Okay.
So yeah, you'll see Shaquille O'Neal. You'll see a Shaquille O'Neal video in my presentation because he's speaking Spanish for a reason.
Okay. So with that being said, whenever you are able to speak some of the language, what about a person that's not able to speak any of the language at all? How can they appeal to the Hispanic population?
It almost sounds like you've been to my presentation, right? Because we cover that. A lot of people think that the language is a barrier to dealing with that Latino that may not speak English. It is not. Let me tell you why. Because if that person is interested in your business and you have made him interested in your business by your marketing, he is going to go to your business, and if he does not speak the language, let's say you're an insurance person that needs insurance, right, and you don't have an insurance person that speaks Spanish, that person that needs your service is going to bring his son or daughter or his friend's son or daughter that speaks perfect language, and that person is going to be your translator. That happens often. The kids of the people that are not fluent in English will be their translators because they speak English and Spanish.
Okay. So as you can see, there are many types of things that you learn at the Expo that will help you overcome some of the barriers that might stop you from being able to be have a really good opportunity as far as business is concerned in the Hispanic community. So if you want to learn more about this, you might want to sign up for this particular workshop. It's on the website, as well as it's also going to be on Eventbrite. You can go either places and actually book that for $10, and you'll be more than welcome to have you come aboard and hear more about this how to do